Na-try mo na ba yung shirataki rice? Hot water lang, luto na in just 10 minutes. Healthier pa. I've been seeing people trying shirataki rice and masarap daw. Parang regular kanin but healthier. Na-curious ako so I tried this dry shirataki rice from Wonder Health. Mukhang regular rice yung greens niya but it's supposed to be lower in carbs and calories daw. What got me more curious is super simple lang daw niyang lutuin. 1:1 lang ng shirataki rice to hot water ratio. Then takpan, tapos wait lang ng 10 minutes. No need na hugasan so less hassle at mess pa. While waiting, let's check its nutrition facts versus regular white rice. Di siya zero calorie like wet shirataki rice kasi it's made with rice flour. But I think this is still a good alternative to rice if nagbabawas ka talaga ng calories or carbs. So after 10 minutes, luto na siya. At first glance, mukha talaga siyang regular na kanin. Ang galing, sobrang naaliw ako dito. In terms of taste and texture, mas airy siya. Parang lighter than regular kanin. May konting chew pero di naman dry. Parang may very faint pandan smell siya for me. Or baka ko lang yan. Bagay na bagay siyang i-pair with kahit anong ulam. Plan ko i-try na gumamit ng mainit na sabaw ng ulam next time instead of hot water. Feeling ko mag-work din siya. Pero sobrang natuwa ko dito as in para siya talagang regular kanin. If kanin is life but gusto mong magbawas ng carbs and calories, this might work for you. Buy now or add to cart to try it yourself na rin.